DIY lash extensions at home under $20 and I'm not a professional? Let's do it. So these are two brands that I found under $20 and it comes with everything that you need. I really did love this brand. It gives you more of that like classic lash extension look and I really do love that. The pack comes with everything you need. The bond and seal, the lash tweezers, and the lashes. So this is me applying the bond part. You literally put it on like mascara and apply your lash extension. That's it. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I know people say it can mess up your lash line. I do apply it underneath, making sure I'm not on my lash line. This is my second time doing it and I haven't had no problems with my lashes. To be honest, this is very convenient for me. I have sensitive eyes and when I get my eyes done by a professional, the harshness of the glue is not good for my eyes. So this is my alternative. So shout out to you if you do go to a professional. I do every now and then, but that's cute. I'm saving over $100 and my eyes are not burning red. This is a win-win for me. So I like to go in also with this glue. This is the I Envy Long Lasting Individual Adhesive. I love it. It's waterproof. It's not too harsh on my eyes and it's a strong hold. When using this product, all you have to do is dab a little bit on the inside of the lash. Do not put the glue on the outside because we're not laying this on top of our lash. We're laying it underneath, meaning you need the glue to be at the front part of the lash. I am going in with my pinky to hold my lid up. I don't need any tape or anything like that, and I'm applying the lash. It's just that simple. I'm going from my outer corner to my inner corners. I repeat that same process on both eyes, and this glue does have a tendency to dry not very quickly, but it does dry up. It's okay to dab out a little bit of more glue on a palette, or I'm using the plastic of my lashes. Also, to remove the lashes, some packs come with remover, or you can always invest in a little tube. They're normally a really low price for the remover. If you have to buy it separately, it is okay because you're still gonna be saving some money. Lately, I'm in a season of being more frugal, meaning I'm trying to save money and even do more things with money that I save. Lashes have been a little spender for me. The type of set that I normally get from my hometown is now like $120, and y'all, I spent $18.99 on that pack of Luxe lashes. It's like $120 versus $18. Yeah, so every now and then, of course, I'm gonna go support my girl and get my lashes done, but these are doing it for now. This is another brand that I did go ahead and pick up just to show the difference. This is $11.99. These aren't as extension like, but it did help to add a little bit of fullness and volume in my lash set. I did not use the whole pack. I only used like 4 on each eye, so that's why I'm not including it in my total price. There are different brands that come with different sizes, different volumes, different lengths, cluster, non-clusters. Not really sure what I have, but it's more like a strip cut up in pieces. That was the main one that I used. Once I get both sides to the volume that I like, I do like to look and just make sure they look a little even, you know what I'm saying? But this is it for this video. Very short and simple. If you guys found it helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to take off with me for more relatable content. But that's it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.